Okay, so this is called the Cosmo, and it's definitely cosmopolitan. This is a crossbody with a difference because it has that cute top handle. So, I mean, it's great for style, but it also gives you a completely different look and way to wear it. Your comparable retail value on this bag is $84. Your QVC price was $61, but you are not paying either of those prices. You're getting it on sale for $54.98, and that makes your easy pay $11. So let me take you through the colors, and then Bailyn will get into it. So this is the almond. I love this color. There's something just so yummy about this. It just makes me think of ice cream, or all of the ice creams that I love.
It's a nice chic color.
Speaking of ice cream, this is mulberry. This is like for that person that wants the sorbet and
Hello.
not the ice cream. We have that beautiful military olive, and there's just something about this bag that is just so, I don't know, you just want to pick it up. It's like a mini bowling bag.
It's a great design.
Then this is the metallic stone gray, and this, ooh, is chartreuse. So those are your colors. So Bailyn, tell us about the Cosmo. Tell us about Cosmo.
Right, it is cosmopolitan, but I think what you're gonna love so much is this top handle. This is a customer requested feature. It really changes the way you carry your equip bag, but then still allowing you to go hands-free as a crossbody or a shoulder bag silhouette. Really great organization, but I just love the look of this. Dual zippers on all sides, so left-handed or right-handed. You're gonna notice there's a built-in RFID protected wallet, credit cards, a cash sleeve, and a clear ID window. It really has a nice gusseted, generous opening, but then it's all about the capacity, my friends. You can fit an entire water bottle down inside of this to give you a sense of scale. I have a notebook, but then you can see the visibility. There's cargo pockets for your readers, your sunglasses, pen holders, and zippered pockets, but even giving you thoughtful details like that key clip leash to get you organized. Nice dedicated cell phone pocket here on the exterior. It's soft lined. All makes and models are gonna fit down inside with that nice soft bunny ear lining. And again, it's that accordion of storage. You know your equip bags can hold a lot. This bag has a great style and a really nice footprint, but top handle, top handle, top handle. Girls, I know you wanted this, we brought it to you, and it just allows you to go hands-free. It's a smart looking bag.
It is, do you know, it's so fun. It's just so...
Like, it's literally like you get excited, like, okay, I'm going out. I don't care where I'm going, but I'm going out with my new Cosmo bag.
I have arrived. I mean, think about it. Maybe you've got that old leather purse that you can never find your keys in.
Of course.
The bigger the bag, the more we carry. We know that. This really is a bag where everything is organized for you, from your cards to that cell phone pocket. Seriously, once you experience it, there's no more rummaging around, looking for your keys, looking for your cell phone. You literally get back more time
100%.
by owning an equip bag. And you get something that's completely unique. So your easy payment on this is $11. Let me just remind you the colors, and then you can make your choice. So we're looking at the almond. This is the one that Bailyn's been showing us.
It's almost like that color of the year situation here.
It feels like a good contrast to that color of the year, because not everybody wants to do mocha or wants to do a chocolate.
That's like literally gonna match. If you're a black bag lover, go with that almond. It's going to be a great neutral.
This is the mulberry. This has been the most popular. Everybody's loving this. I mean, it's just so juicy. You just want to reach out.
Right? The color's vibrant.
This is the military olive.
Gorgeous.
Okay, we have 160 in that military olive. This is the metallic stone gray. We have 130 in the metallic stone gray. And then chartreuse is popular, but it is limited. We have just 30 in that chartreuse. So give us a call, 800-500-7590 to place your order, especially if you like that chartreuse. I don't know. I know there are some people who'll be like, oh, I won't pick up the phone, I won't get it. And
call us, friends, right? Like, we want to hear from you.
I will get that lost bag. It's got my name on it.
There's nothing worse than when you're thinking of something and then you go back like, well, now I can't get it and I want it 10 times more. That
happens to me all the time. A661-747. That is your item number. Your easy pay is $11.
Look how intuitive, right? Brittany's going in the bag. There's the built-in wallet. Equip bags force you to get organized, but you're not carrying like a tired function bag.
They don't force, they allow.
Hello, right? I like that. It's elegant. They allow you to get organized, but I am so passionate. I could scream it from the rooftops that a handbag is the cherry on top, right? Yes. You have so many beautiful fashions here at QVC that we want to elevate you. So when you see this bag, it leads with style. It's our luxury nylon. It's cool and it's modern and it's wipe clean. But when you decide to put an equip bag over your existing outfit, it really is that cherry. It's gonna take your look to the next level. It's gonna work for you in your wardrobe. And that's why I get so excited to share with you. Our brand has been featured places like Vogue magazine, right? We have really made a name for ourselves in the luxury handbag space, but the secret, we've busted down the luxury pricing. We give QVC our exclusive designs. It's really our family here because I want you to get equipped. I don't want price to ever be a barrier. I don't want you to feel excluded from the fashion industry. I want you to have a bag that you go, oh yeah, to your girlfriends, I have a good looking bag, because it pulls the outfit together and it's just smart looking.
It really does. And especially with a bag like this that's so unique.
Of course.
So cute. You know it's a talking point, and I think that's the thing. You know, I feel like so many of us as women, we know we get a compliment when another woman is like, I love your shoes, I love your hair, I love your equip bag.
Of course.
Because we know it's coming from a place of, hey, I want that.
100%. And that's the thing, these are compliment magnets. You know, I always get so excited when I read posts on social media of women who get complimented on their equip bags, because this is a good looking design. You have the top handle, you have that removable and adjustable crossbody strap. So when it's time to dress it up, take the strap off, mix it with a fashion strap at home, or totally go hands-free when you want. But what you're also gonna love is the function. Yes, it's stylish. This is a girlfriend grabbing, attention getting bag, but it has the RFID wallet. It has the ID window. It has technology and capacity infused. We have water bottles, a spot for your readers, your sunglasses, a pen loop. This really is remarkable, the organization we layer into our bags and why we've really made a name for ourselves in the fashion industry as a whole, but also right here at QVC. If you don't have a softline cell phone pocket, it's like a game changer. You won't want to live without it.
Two reasons. One, I mean, you never have to worry about your phone getting scratched or damaged or water leaking or anything. You know where it is. But that's the other thing, is you always know where your phone is. Like, how much time do you spend checking your phone is in your bag? And it's, you know, it's always in the same place. And it's a great feeling reaching into that little bunny ears pocket.
Isn't it?
The almond has been the most popular.
Yeah,
so let's give the other colours some love so that you can the
whole
choose
family,
something that Malin isn't tempting you with. So this is the one I've been rocking. This is the mulberry. I mean, it's just a juicy, gorgeous, great pop of colour. If you love your kind of pinks, that's going to be a great colour for you. This is the military olive, is also popular. Ooh.
Isn't it good?
I know, it's
there is not a bad color in the bunch. This is like a multiples moment situation. Pick up a few colors for spring.
Ooh, that is a
Isn't
good idea. Because it is, you know, it feels luxe when you have more than one bag. And you can kind of go, oh, this would look better with this outfit. This is the metallic stone grey. So great if you're looking for that neutral, but you want that little bit of sheen. I mean, maybe if you wear a lot of silver jewelry, this could be a great color for you. And then this is chartreuse. So if you're looking for something completely unique, a pop of color, we only have 20 remaining of that chartreuse. So absolutely give us a call.
It's a good one.
Now you know your color, 800-500, 7590, A661, 747. That's your item number. And I'll give you the measurements. So this bag is 9 inches long by 4 inches wide by 6.5 inches high. And then the strap is 28 to 56 inches long. I mean, yeah, you can wear it crossbody.
Like, I love showing this. Like, can we like go wide here? I am a 6 foot tall man. It's like this is gonna fit, right? This is gonna go over your fall and winter fashion. We could do like double Dutch with the strap. You could get creative.
Not in these heels, love.
And that's the thing I think so many women love. You're gonna love the organization. You're gonna love the function. And maybe you already have this design. I know when you see it at these amazing Q2 offers, you're like, all right, I'm gonna pick up a new color. I'm gonna get equipped with Equip, but it's just a great bag that I know you're gonna love.
Yeah, it really is a great bag. It's called the Cosmo. It's a crossbody with that top handle. That almond is getting limited, so if you haven't chosen your color yet, now is the time. 800-500, 7590. And the item number to give us when you call is A661, 747. Now, still to come,